So we have these two condos behind us. We have this one on this side, that's the right side, and we have this one on the left side. Watch the next 2 weeks, you'll get to see both sides. Hi, Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky Living. We're coming to you again today from Harvest Point out in Mount Washington. We have a condo community here. We've shown you a previous condo, so now we're going to show you the flipped version of this condo to see what it looks like from the other side. Got Telisia Jackson with Fischer Homes. Fischer is the development of this community. I'll let Telisia tell you a little bit more about this wonderful condo.
Absolutely. So this is our paired patio, a part of our paired patio collection. This is our Hudson, located at 170 Harvest Point Way. It does sit a little over 1,600 square feet. It is going to offer 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it is also priced at $284,990. So.
And we have some really good terms that you can get with this place.
We do.
So if you're interested, you can check with your mortgage company.
Yes, Victory Mortgage is actually our lending partner. So if you utilize them, you have the opportunity to get interest rates as low as 5%.
And you get all kinds of added benefits with that lower interest rates as well.
Correct. We're actually offering 6% on this particular market home. And I've actually got 3 other Hudsons. We're offering 6%. What that looks like on a price point of $284,990 is a little over $17,000. What I typically recommend clients do is utilize 4% towards purchase price and then the other 2% towards closing costs. But it's totally up to you.
Awesome. Good news from both sides.
Yes, that is correct. That is correct.
But here we've got the condo behind us. It's got a big, wonderful 2-car garage. We have big 2-car driveway here. Everything's landscaped. We have maintenance-free exterior. So you move in here, you don't have to worry about anything on the outside.
Exactly.
Everything's taken care of for you.
Exactly.
So let's go ahead and we'll move inside and show you the flipped version of this previous condo.
Awesome. Follow me.
We come in and we have the luxury vinyl flooring here, right here.
Yes.
In the entryway. It goes all the way through the first floor.
Right here to the side is going to be your 2-car garage. Very, very spacious.
Lots of storage room in addition to putting your cars in there.
That is correct. You're going to have a coat closet right here. You have your stairs right here, nice railing. Luxury vinyl planks all throughout the first floor. Very, very nice.
And we have these little windows up here at the top, so it gives you some privacy when you're coming down the hallway from the other side.
That is correct.
Comes right back in here. We open up. We have these tall ceilings with the big windows. Got the sliding glass door back there.
That is
All
correct.
the dedicated dining space over there by the sliding glass door.
Beautiful quartz countertop here. Love this pattern.
Love the little specks and stuff in there.
Yes. Absolutely gorgeous.
Got some wonderful cabinetry up here with the big handles, nice chrome accents.
Look at that backsplash back there as well too. It's a nice touch. Really adds some character.
And then this can be doubled as a sitting area as well. So
It absolutely does.
add some space over there for the dining partial. Then we have the powder room back here. And then in here we have the pantry because it's already shelved. Nice layout, very open.
Oh yeah.
Everything's really convenient to get to.
Oh yeah.
So let's go ahead, we'll check upstairs and we'll show you the other side of the upstairs side of this particular condo. So carpet all the way up to the top and throughout the
Yes.
entire second floor here.
This nice loft space in here.
Utilize a little desk space or some additional dressers or something up here.
Absolutely.
Or just decorate it and have a sitting area or whatever.
Absolutely.
I got
Very well
the
could.
washer and dryer area over there again.
And again, this ledge right here could be utilized as a folding table. You could add some shelves if you wanted to. You could
Cabinetry, whatever you want
Yeah,
to.
absolutely.
And then we have the bedrooms here on the back.
Pretty spacious. This is bedroom number 2.
Then we have the big closets that are in each one of them as well. Again, they already have some shelving in there.
Mm-hmm. Look at that nice full bath that we have in here. Very, very nice. You got your cultured
Vinyl.
marble.
Yep, vinyl flooring and nice big vanity there.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. All right, well, let's check out the owner's suite.
Got this little area right here that's got some storage in it, along
Mm-hmm.
with our HVAC and water heater.
Mm-hmm.
And then we come into the primary.
Yeah. Nice and spacious.
Got the big windows to look out over the front of the house.
Mm-hmm.
And now we got another really big window inside the walk-in closet.
Yes, which is a very, very nice feature.
And it's a big walk-in closet.
It is. It is. It's got 2 large windows, actually.
Very spacious.
Yeah.
And we have the primary bath that's back
Mm-hmm.
here.
It's the luxury vinyl planks. You got the double vanity.
Love a double vanity.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Love that. Look at that shower. You have a nice water closet right here. Perfect for privacy.
So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. This is a condominium that's in Mount Washington, Harvest Point.
Mm-hmm.
This is Telisia Jackson with Fischer.
Hello.
Please reach out to either one of us. We'll be glad to show you this home, get you under contract, and hopefully you'll have a new home soon. Thank you.
All right.